Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to disable updates for Android apps. People do this for apps such as launchers, browsers, social media apps, or games when a new update removes a feature they like or introduces bugs. So to do that, open Google Play Store, search the app that is installed in your Android phone. I searched Clash Royale. Go to that app's page. Once you are there, press three dots at the top right and uncheck Enable Auto Update. Uncheck this option. It will turn off auto updates for this app. The app will still show available updates in Play Store, but it won't update automatically. Please note that security updates and bug fixes will be missed if you stay on an old version for too long. So be careful. So to disable update for any app, you can do the same for that app. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.